Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to move your OBS settings from one computer to another without having to reset up everything or just make a general backup. So to do that, open File Explorer, go to C drive, go to Users, here go to your username. Here you'll need to go to App Data, so this folder here. If it's hidden, you'll need to go to View and go Show. And here, make sure Hidden Items is ticked so you can see the hidden items. Once you've done that, enter the App Data folder, go to Roaming. Once you're in this folder, just find the OBS folder, so OBS-Studio, right click on it, copy, and then paste it into another location. This will keep a backup for you and you can move it across to another PC. So once you've done that, all you need to do is reinstall OBS on whatever computer and then drop the folder in the same location and it will import everything exactly how it was on your previous setup or your previous computer. Really straightforward, really simple, and it works every time without any issues. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.